Hey folks, Danny Rosa here with a window that we did a few months ago. And this is my favorite type of window to put over the sink. Now, if you have one of those annoying windows that it's the two windows with a crank out that goes to the left and then one that goes to the right, I like this and I really recommend this. I did this at my house. This is actually at a customer's house. What I love about it is that, bam, you get this nice unobstructed view. Okay, there's no bar running down the middle, messing up the view outside. And what I really love about this window, especially in the kitchen, is when you're cooking, this window's hinged on top, and you can open it. And on a day like today where it's raining, you can leave that window ajar, and water, even if it's like driving rain, water's not going to come in the house, and you can still vent while you're cooking. So this is an awning window. We could put this in place of an existing double casement. We do it all the time. That's what we did here. And I mean, look at that. It's awesome. Another nice thing is right now that window's open. It doesn't look open, right? So really a cool window for over the sink. I did it at my house and we did it at this customer's house, and they absolutely love this window. Thanks for watching. Bye. And here's another window we did over the sink. On this window, they used to have triple mold double hungs. Triple mold double hung. So there's double hung windows that went up and down. This customer, who happens to be myself, this is my house. I wanted to do casements. So what I did was, I love the awning window. So there you go. If it's raining, like on a day like today, you can leave that thing open a crack. And you still get plenty of airflow. A lot of airflow coming in through there now. And I put a casement in that cranks left. And unlock it. And I put another one that opens right, and wow, man. A lot of air coming through there, and it looks pretty cool. All right, but if you just have the single window over the sink and you only have your choice to do one, I personally like the casements. In the first part of this video, you saw a casement, or excuse me, you saw an awning. This is an awning window. You saw an awning window without grids. This one has the grids, just because of my house. You want the grids go better. And there's another casement there that I put in the kitchen. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. All right, I was about to upload the video, and I was like, you know what? I want to show them what it looks like open. So I came back out here, and here are the windows open. See, another reason why I did that window the way I did it is now it gives it the appearance of a dimensional window, like a bay or a bow when it's open. Isn't that cool? Danny Rosa, window guy #1. Those are triple pane R5 windows, DOE R5 windows, DOE rated R5 windows. And a lot of people ask me, oh, you know, do these windows have a tint? You can notice the slight tint on them now when they're open. It's more pronounced. I even opened that single one that I had there, just to give you an idea of what casements look like open. I think casements are a great alternative. I have a customer, Richie, who absolutely loves his casement windows. He could be a spokesperson for the casement window industry. He loves them so much. All right. We got some some windows I didn't do here. This house has some unique windows. It's one of the reasons why I got it, because I'm a window guy. Had to get a window house. But, you know, I have regular double hungs. It has that little window in there that I haven't done yet. But look at this look at this thing. It's a glass block window, which is pretty neat. That's in the kitchen. All right, folks, thanks for watching my videos.